Hey, it's Jamila from Jamila by Pink, and today I am going to show you how to add HTV or heat transfer vinyl to a zipper hoodie. Before we get started, why don't you go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on the little bell notifications for me. So the first thing we're going to do is get our vinyl all weeded. I am a glitter queen. I love glitter, so in this video I am using glitter. I'll also go ahead and link the design in the description. I believe it's one of my dollar files in my shop, but don't hold me to that. So go ahead and get the design all weeded. I chose this design, but somebody who is more of a beginner may want to choose something without such small lines because of how you have to split the design. The weeding tool I am using, I'll also link, but it's the Pin from 651 Vinyl. So once I get everything weeded, what I like to do is that's the Cricut precision cutting tool there, and then my T-square. I'll link all of this stuff so that you can get it. But I like to fold my design in half so that I can get to the middle point, and it won't matter because the heat is going to get rid of that line for you. So you figure out where you want it placed, and usually I go about 3 inches from the top. You want to make sure that you have a zipper with the fabric that touches in the middle and that it's laying flat. So go ahead and find the middle point again of your design, and then you're going to lay it right where those two pieces of fabric that overlap the zipper meet. For most of anything that fits right at the top of the or right at the bottom of the neck, I like to go about 3 inches below the neck, and that's what you see me measuring here with the T-square. Once you have your design placed where you want it, you can take your easy press and press it for 30 seconds at 330 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you're going to carefully remove the transfer tape. I want to say that this was probably a cold peel vinyl. It didn't come off very easily, or it tried to peel up as I was pulling off the transfer tape, which is why you see me pulling it up and down. I have so much vinyl around here that I have a rough time figuring out what is what brand, if it's cold peel or hot peel, and I haven't figured out a good way to determine if it is hot or cold peel yet. I probably should keep better track of it and put everything in the same place, but I'm not that organized. So we got the transfer paper off, and what you see me doing here is pressing the vinyl down in the little fold that's on the opposite side of the zipper. Hopefully that makes sense, but you want to make sure that that vinyl is pressed down into that seam there. So I'm just using the pin and I have it closed, using it to press those letters down into that little fold or seam or whatever. So next you're going to take the precision cutting tool from Cricut, and you're going to slice right down the middle where the two pieces of fabric meet that overlap your zipper. And you want to do this part pretty carefully too, because you don't want to cut the fabric and you don't want to screw up your lettering either. So just continue until you've reached the bottom of that, the bottom of your design. Now once you have it cut, you're going to go ahead and press again for another 30 seconds just to make sure where you press those creases down, or the lettering or your design down into the creases. You want to make sure that that is adhered really good. So that's why we're pressing for another 30 seconds on that one. I hit it for about 20 seconds, but yeah. And press again in those seams just to make sure it's secure while it's still hot. Now unzip, and you have just applied heat transfer vinyl to your very first hoodie. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.